Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make form HTML. We will start by understanding the fundamental structure of an HTML form. The form tag is your starting point, acting as a container for all your input fields. It requires two crucial attributes: action, which specifies where to send the data, and method, which defines how the data is sent, typically using GET or POST. Next, let's explore the essential input tag, which is incredibly versatile. You can specify its behavior using the type attribute. For instance, type equals text creates a single-line text box, while type equals password masks characters. Other useful types include email for email addresses and number for numerical input. Remember to assign a unique name attribute to each input for proper data handling. Notion is a powerful tool for revision. Set up a spaced repetition system using date properties to schedule reviews of important topics. Create digital flashcards with toggle blocks, where the question is visible and the answer is hidden. This active recall method significantly improves memory retention. Build a personalized dashboard to track your daily and weekly study progress, including completed topics and upcoming deadlines. Visualizing your journey keeps you motivated and on track. Finally, let's discuss form submission and validation. The method attribute, set to either GET or POST, determines how your data travels to the server. GET appends data to the URL, while POST sends it in the request body. The action attribute points to the server-side script that will process the submitted information. Implementing client-side validation, like using the required attribute, enhances user experience and ensures data quality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.